Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chris and today we will be messing with the E46 and yeah, I had a couple mods I want to install, a couple things I want to button up, and that's about it. Oh, one thing, thank you guys and everyone who subscribed. We have hit our 100 subscriber mark. Next thing on the list, of course, is 200 or whatever the case may be. So if you are a subscriber, you know someone that likes cars, or you know someone that wants to drift or whatever the case may be and just likes watching YouTube, you know, share it with them, recommend a friend, anything. All of those things greatly help the channel. I mean, I'm a very small channel, so even one like, one subscribe, I notice it, and it really hits me here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, without further ado, we will get back to the video. I should be having my little brother. I'm actually filming this first before I start working on the car. I'm gonna do this tomorrow, maybe the next day. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but you know, who cares? E46 will be, where do we go? Where we go? We come back in? Yeah. E46 will be operational soon. We'll get some skids in. Right now I'm just loosening getting this guibo off, and I should have it finger tight. Doing this so I can slip this drive shaft in there. Grab me a adjustable wrench. What size is it? Alright, I did a couple things, as you see in a little time lapse. I did a couple things off camera, but I just got it to where I'm trying to get the drive shaft lined up with the guibo and the transmission and all that. Then we're done underneath, tighten all the bolts up. Got my little bro taking out the exhaust headers. He's gonna wrap them with this heat wrap that I got. I might fine-tune the suspension, maybe take off the oh, I got some coilover strut mount reinforcement. Oh no, not even coilover. I got some strut mount reinforcements I'm about to put in here. I'm gonna slide them in before we're done, and then I'll probably wrap it up. But yeah, I'm just gonna time lapse, do some cinematics. Advance. Oh. Advance. Okay, another day, another E46 video. Today I will be, this part of the video I'm going to be installing these rear shock and front shock high adjustment plates. I got these from Garage-tastic. I got it from Garage-tastic. They're pretty cool dudes over there. They've been doing BMW stuff for a while. So, and I bought these like last year. I bought them for my other E46. My bumper just fell over, but yeah, I bought it for my other E46, and now that I have a chance, I'm gonna slap them onto this one, and you guys are gonna watch that. So stay tuned. Now I'm gonna get to the installing part. So basically these are for people with aftermarket coilovers or stiffer springs or struts or whatever the case may be, but anybody can do this if you have an OEM setup, or if you have something different, or you know, some coilovers or lowering springs, whatever the case is. You can still do this, but yeah, I'm gonna show you here. So you basically just jack your car up, pop your hood up, and loosen these 3 bolts right here on either side. Let them down. Put the plate in there just like this. You put the plate in there just like that. Well, you guys get the idea. It's not gonna fit from the top, but just lay it on there just like that, and you're good to go. Well, you lay it on top of your strut. This goes on top of your strut. You bolt it on, and then you're good to go. But yeah, I'm just gonna get to doing that, loosening some bolts up, and I'll show you guys how that goes. Okay, I had to find the 12. It's a 12. Well, your coilovers may be different, but I know for sure I don't know for sure. I'm gonna say I think the factory nuts up here are 13 millimeters. The Megan Racing ones are 12s. Aha, see? Okay, so it doesn't want to fall anymore because I still have the sway bar link, what's the word, attached. So if you were to take off your sway bar link, this thing would come straight down. But yeah, this hole will match up with like I don't know what the hole is for, but it's another hole on top of here. I'll actually show you. This will match up like that. One will go on the stud, one will go in this hole right here. So make sure that lines up, and then you're good to go.
Or you know what? I guess that's for either or. I guess these would match 2 different chassis maybe. That's cool. Okay, and this is how it should look afterwards. Basically like you did nothing, but if you actually look, you can kind of see the indent of where the plate is. If you look over here, alright, so look at how sharp that line is. And look at this line, like not as sharp, if you get what I mean. It's not as sharp, but that's how it should look when you're done. I'm gonna do that side, finish that up, put the wheels back on, let the front down, and then I will move over to the rear. So, hello everybody, how you doing? If you made it this far, consider liking the video or subscribing. Whichever one you do will be greatly appreciated. Even drop a comment down below if you anything you've seen that I did wrong, or maybe there's a better way of doing it. Just leave it down in the comments. I'd greatly appreciate all your feedback. But oh yeah, I stopped the video right here because I still have a lot of stuff to edit, and I still have a lot more stuff to film that I wanted to put in this video. So I'm gonna stop it here, make this part 1, and edit all the other stuff that I have left, do some more filming, and hopefully, I mean not hopefully, I'm surely dropping a part 2, and maybe if there's some more content left over, we can drop a part 3 and get the first start pretty soon. I don't want to jinx myself, but it's coming. And this car has really been a big stressor, so not even a big stressor, it's just been a big weight on my shoulders, kind of a burden. It's just been sitting and not running, and I've had to move it a couple times by getting it towed because it doesn't move on its own weight. So yeah, just to hear this thing fire up will be a big freaking relief, like big weight lifted off my shoulders. So I feel it coming. So hopefully you guys, not hopefully, but you know, hopefully you guys will be there to see it unfold, which will, for me, it'll be big. I'll probably watch it 100 times after I'm done editing it, when I've already probably watched the same clips 20-30 times a piece. So seeing it, hearing it start up will be a big deal for me. So yeah, I hope you guys are liking what I'm doing. We got a lot of other things up my sleeve that hopefully will bring in a bigger audience and let you guys know that I'm serious about this car building thing. It's easy to say, but I've realized once it's time to actually do it, go out there and start busting your knuckles and hitting your all cold, all that stuff. Once you get out there, it's a whole different story from talking about it on YouTube or whatever. So I'm really looking forward to that, and yeah, keep watching. Oh, wait. One more thing. If all you guys out there driving older BMWs, if you see an older Mercedes, try to race the guy. No, I'm gonna cut that out. But see you guys later. Thanks.